ESG, environmental, social, and governance, and sustainability are quite related and have related concepts, but they definitely have distinct focus and scope. Today, we shall be dissecting and giving us a better explanation on the difference between ESG and sustainability. Before I move forward, it's been a while. We have been putting a lot of effort to spread that safety knowledge out there, enlightening us on health and safety practices from safety at work to home safety to pedestrian safety to mental health and safety to elaborate on various topics within the health and the safety industry. It's been a long time. We request that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification button. This will further encourage us to do more. If you have not subscribed and you are here for the first time, or you've been here but you've not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's go to the discussion. First of all, let's talk about ESG. ESG refers to a set of criteria used to assess a company's or organization's performance in these three key areas: environmental, governance, and social. Each of these areas represent a different aspect of corporate responsibility and sustainable practices. Now let's pick it one after the other. Environmental. This aspect focuses on a company's impact on the natural environment, including its carbon footprint, resource usage, waste management, pollution, and effort to mitigate climate change. Now let's go to social. The social aspect examines a company's relationship with its employees, customers, suppliers, vendors, communities, and other stakeholders from the word social. It encompasses factors such as labor practices, human rights, diversity and inclusion, health and safety, community engagement, and philanthropy. Now let's talk about governance. Governance refers to the structure and processes that guides the decision-making and accountability within an organization. It includes aspects such as board composition, executive compensation, transparency, ethics, risk management, and regulatory compliance. All these form part of what the governance talks about. ESG factors are used by investors, analysts, and other stakeholders to evaluate the sustainability and long-term performance of companies. ESG assessment can help identify risk, opportunities, threats, and areas of improvement, and the overall sustainability performance of an organization. Now let's speak on sustainability. Sustainability encompasses a broader concept that goes beyond just ESG framework. It refers to the ability to meet current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainability encompasses economic, environmental, and social dimension and seek to achieve a balance between them. There must be a balance between these three. Let's talk about economic sustainability. This area focuses on ensuring long-term economic viability and prosperity. It involves promoting economic growth, innovation, responsible consumption and production, and even fair trade practices. And this is the major reason why we are talking about identifying, supporting, and promoting our very own content when it comes to professional courses. For example, QMSAI, that is Quality and Management Systems Auditors Institute, which is established in Africa, is a registered ISO certification body for management systems. The goal of QMSAI is to nurture, to train, expand opportunities in auditing, attain global recognition because we conform to the required standard, that is ISO 17024, as a certification body, because that is the standard required for you to conform with to become a certification body, which QMSAI conforms to. They also help in enhancing audit skills, gaining an intensive understanding of management system standard, meeting certification requirements, building wider network of professionals, keeping up with best practices, and most importantly, to drastically reduce the cost of Africans becoming competently ISO certified by establishing our own globally recognized institute for ISO audit certification. This is sustainability. This is economic sustainability within the framework of Africa. Enough of total dependency on what we can actually do and develop ourselves and promote ourselves here in Africa. Those other ones are also being owned and established in different countries. So our own too is here, and it is our duty and responsibility to ensure that we support it. Now, environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability emphasizes the protection and preservation of the natural resources, ecosystems, and biodiversity. It includes effort to mitigate climate change, conserve energy and water, reduce pollution, promote renewable energy, and adopt sustainable land and resource management practice. Now, social sustainability. Social sustainability aims to enhance social well-being, equality, and human rights. It involves promoting social justice, access to education and healthcare, poverty reduction, gender equality, and inclusive and equitable communities. Sustainability is a broader concept that encompasses ESG factors. It also goes as long as SDG factors, but not only these are mentioned, but also extend beyond them to include economic consideration and long-term social and environmental goals. It involves taking a holistic approach to ensure that economic development, social progression, and environmental protection are integrated and mutually supportive in our various systems. In summary, ESG focuses on specific criteria used to evaluate a company's performance in environmental, social, and governance areas, while sustainability is a broader concept that encompasses economic, environmental, and social dimension and seeks to achieve a balance between them. ESG is often seen as a subset or a part of the broader sustainability framework, and that is what we have for you today on Safety Moment with Waliullah, proudly sponsored by Cordal Safety Consult. We hope you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.